Listening to this song has become a daily occurrence for me. On full blast, it's so awesome. I'll just let you take it in whenever it gets going. I love this song, it's so good. Such a good song. It's fucking awesome. Yes, I am listening to this song again because it is amazing. Amazing. I can't get over it. This time I have it on my computer though, and it's got a nice sound system. You wanna hear? Oh, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Oh, and here it is. Oh, it's so glorious. I love it. I'm sure all of you have heard about this already thanks to Charles Trippy, but I watched that Justin Bieber Slipknot mashup. He's right. I can't hate it. It's awesome. I don't even understand how they found that out. Like it really does work perfectly. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get my friend Pablo's reaction on this. I'm gonna get it on video because it's gonna be hilarious. That is so funny. I love it. That's so good. Well, right now I'm waiting for my friend Pablo to pick me up so that we may go to Slippery Rock, and I'll just be there with Chelsea, and we're gonna chill tonight. There's a Pens game on tonight, hence the jersey. And then there's gonna be what I've been told. There's going to be an epic NERF war, so that'll be interesting. And tomorrow we film. Yes. The soul is not the purpose, the reckoning, the sickening, that can change the version. You don't respect the version. Slipknot meets Bieber. My favorite thing on YouTube is CSI episode. How fast?
Well, that's the one that kills people.
What, this one?
No, the one that Heather has.
Pablo, how do you
Oh, keep shooting me so I can fill that one up now.
Take that. Shouldn't give Chelsea guns.
Nope. Oops, that one went in the other room. I would go. I would go. Come on, come on. I would go.
Baby Brad.
Ah, shit. Kid again.
First of all, you missed the first thing. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hers is broken again.
Again, guys, again.
Wait. That's not working either.
No! Pablo. I cried.
That's it.
Oh, shit.
Ah! That was the sword. Mine's like this. I saw you carry that thing and I was like,
I know.
I should just go back to my room. No, you see, Chris was in your shower waiting just in case you did decide to do that. That was smart. Wouldn't have worked anyway.
We tried.
Killed it.
So good.
Heather. Heather's thing. More Terminator. Heather.
Part 2.
Oh, come on.
Are you serious? Yeah. Nice, dude.
I'm firing for Chelsea this time.
Because I got the camera.
Take it in the end. Hey, just on safety.
Behind us. Chris is all decked out.
Make sure to push it down. Just push it. Okay. Shannon's just kind of coward.
Look, Chelsea's in the video. She fired a gun at innocent people tonight.
Yep.
Not a real gun, as you saw.
Nerf gun.
Nerf gun. I got to shoot innocent lovebirds cuddling in bed. That was entertaining. Oh, joys of Nerf guns.
Yep.
But that's all the excitement for tonight. So I'm going to call it a night for the vlog. And we shoot the new video tomorrow. So that will be fun. So, night guys. I'll see you tomorrow.